Hello everyone, this is Dr. Bhavya from Zeal Physiocare and today we are dealing with sports fitness. Most of us are trying to get back to sports because sports is the key to fitness. अब हम सब कोशिश कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो क्रिकेट हो, बैडमिंटन, टेनिस, हम सब चाहते हैं कि हम स्पोर्ट्स के थ्रू अपनी फिटनेस को अचीव करें. एंड टुडे वी आर कैटेगोरिकली डीलिंग विद क्रिकेट कंडीशनिंग. ये सारी एक्सरसाइजेज हैं जो आपकी पावर, स्ट्रेंथ, एजिलिटी को इम्प्रूव करेंगी एंड this will improve your game, this will improve your performance. So come, let's see those exercises. The first exercise is bicep hammer curls. We are using 5 kg dumbbells. This exercise is categorically used to increase your grip strength for throwing in cricket. What you have to do is you have to bend your elbows, take it till half and then come back. Slowly keep breathing and then perform these exercises. You can do it in a set of 10 for 3 repetitions or you can do it in the set of 15 for 2 repetitions. That can be done according to your strength and comfortable. The next exercise is the dumbbell step up. Hold the dumbbells in your hand, go up a stool and come down. Here you can increase the length or height of your stool according to the capability of the person. This exercise is very good to increase the balance and stability in the lower legs. This exercise can be done for 2 sets of 15 repetitions or 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Keep breathing through it and take 1 step up and 1 step down. Third exercise is the box jump. For this you need a stool and you have to jump from a squat position onto the stool. Yes. And just come back. This exercise is used to increase your core power, strength and stamina. Just keep breathing through it. Again you can do in the sets of 2 for 15 repetitions and either in the sets of 3 for 10 repetitions. The fourth exercise is plank hip dips. You have to come into the plank position, yes, and now try to dip your hips by rotating your body. Very good. This exercise is done to engage your core muscle and increase their strength. Can be done in the sets of 2 or 10. Cricket is all about using as many muscles as possible. So here we are training all of them. Pick up the dumbbells and jump. Go to squat position and jump. Again can be done in sets of 2s and 3s. This exercise is gonna increase your power, strength and agility at the same time. The last exercise is hang cleans. Pick up the dumbbells by your side. From squat position, throw and make your back into extension position. This is good for your legs, for your core as well as strengthening your upper body. Again can be done in the sets of 2s and 3s. Keep breathing through it. Full extension of your back. Go down and up. Go down and up.